Experience timeless sophistication with Sonata Poze 8. Crafted for the modern individual, this stunning three-hands fashionable watch features an attractive dial that captures attention at every glance. The sleek design and precise movement and superior comfort make it perfect accessory for everyday wear or special occasion. Quickly discuss about the details. Stay tuned. At first I show you unboxed the watch.
Let's start with a unboxing right away. The packaging looks premium and minimalistic, simple, clean and professional. Inside we have the watch itself, its setting, cautions and usual manuals which includes setup, instructions and warranty information. First glance at the watch. The black dial paired with the silver stainless steel bracelet really stand out. It feels solid and well made even before putting it on the wrist. Notice how the Poze logo and Sonata are tastefully printed on the dial. Not too flashy, just clean and elegant. Let's talk about design. The Poze Sonata is minimalistic watch which is perfect if you like clean aesthetic. The hour markers are bold and easy to read. The hands have a luminous coating which is great for the visibility in low light. The seconds hand sweeps smoothly, giving it premium feel through its quartz. The stainless steel bracelet is polished with solid links that feels durable. It's comfortable for daily wear and doesn't pinch your skin. The crown itself is textured, making easy adjust the time without feeling faddy. Overall, the design is simple, versatile and stylish, something that works with almost any outfit.
Now discuss about the striking dial.
Equipped with a quartz mechanism Y121 for precise, the consistent timekeeping ideal for the daily use. This watch can handle the splashes and hand washing but avoid the swimming. The water resistance is provided here is 30-meter water resistance is consisted in this watch, which is not bad for this price segment. There is no date function. This keeps the dial clean, but something is considered if you like that feature. One suitable design feature I love is the minutes keep markers around the outer edge, which makes the precise the time reading effortless. On the wrist, the Poze Sonata feels balanced and light. The bracelet sits comfortably and the watch doesn't slide around. For context, my wrist is 6.5 inch and the watch case materials is 40 mm. Size works perfectly, not too big, not too small. You can pair with the casual outfit like jeans and a t-shirt, business casual outfit, even a semi-formal shirt for this watch is perfect for you. Now let's compare the Poze Sonata with other watches in its range. Compared to a Titan Edge or similar brand, the Sonata has a cleaner dial and more solid bracelets. Compared to a fossil minimalistic watch is more affordable yet still feels premium. If you want a watch that looks expensive but would not burn a hole in your wallet, this is one strong contender. Let's talk about the case material. It's made by a brass and back cover is made by a stainless steel back, and here you notice the Sonata Poze brand name is included here, and also the water resistance is provided here is written on that back, and the model number is included here. So you need a good watch at this price segment. It is best for your choice. The chain is made by stainless steel and the chain is good quality at this price segment, and also here they provided the 3 folded clasps which is easy to wear. Let's summarize both pros and cons included here, which I noticed that pros is sleek and minimalistic design, comfortable and lightweighted, and the luminous hands is for visibility, affordable but premium look is provided here. And cons also in this watch, no date window is included here, not suitable for swimming or diving. So this is the cons and no more issues in this watch at this price segment. So who is this watch for? If you want a watch for everyday use and office wear, if you are looking for a value for money without compromising style, The pair Sonata with a leather strap for a more formal look, or keep your steel bracelet for casual and business wear. This is for comfortable for you. This watch equipped with the Quartz movement Y121 for precise, this consistent timekeeping, ideal for the daily use. Perfect for daily use, lightweight, durable and easy to pair with casual office or travel outfits. This watch is ideal for those who prefer a suitable yet stylish accessory with a refreshing color tone. The Sonata watch provided the 1 year guarantee. In this watch, they are so confident that they will say about that this watch is loved to the people. What we do that they offer 1 year guarantee on everything that they assure the customer. The watch case diameter is perfectly worked for everyone because the case diameter is 40.5 millimeters. This measurement is majorly worked by every wrist for men's, and the brand thickness is 10 millimeters for the thickness is perfect.
The black texture dial adds depth. Reliable quartz movement is also added in this watch. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of watches. If you turned something new or found a watch you love, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more typist content. And as always, stay on time, stay with stylish, and I will see you next video. TikTok, don't stop.